Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome in Bangla YT, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply make kind of like this, not like this, kind of like this login setup that after then sometime wait or loading 100% goodly, our second map or our main map will become visible, or we are going to enter in our new map. Okay, I will show you this setup. So first of all, for making this you must be have a simple a main map, right? If you don't have, just create a map, then need to create a new map that is here for loading. So I just give it name that loading. So one is done, just double click on your loading. One is done, just create a new UI widget, that widget blueprint. Then at the UI you can find this circle that lots of user or viewers might comment that bro, why I found this circle type process bar. So just need to search here that CRI. So lots of not CRI, just search that C and just scroll some and you find like this, that circle. Okay, you need to just drag like this. So in your case maybe it could be like that it's not so much perfect, that how it's because it's a simple problem in the size. Okay, you need to just set up this. Let me show you how. Just select your circle, then as you can see the size of X and Y it's not same, so just select them to 100 by 100, so then it will become fixed. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so one is done, just I set it to my right side. Then make sure that you set the gravity. I set the gravity in my right side. Okay, then I add a simple text view from here, that just search here that tx and you find that text, and at the text just drag it here. Then I just add the text that loading right now, right now, and also I set the gravity to right side. So that is just basically the simple UI. So then I need to connect it this UI in my loading screen without any character. Okay, because we are as you can see, we are don't using any start point or any characters BP. Okay, so we are don't using anything, we are just want to now connected this UI with our map. How? Just go at your blueprints, then open level class. So at the open level class just get the event begin play. There's always it's give by default, but if in your case it's not come, so just add the event begin play, then create the widget. And after the creating the widget, just set in your class that UI which one you created. Then from return value just search that add to viewport. Okay, then connected this plug with your add viewport. So when it's done, now your widget will be display. Okay, so that is the basically the simple of the connecting the UI with your level. So one is done, I add a simple delay block. This delay block will be help us to wait some time in our this loading map. So our second map, the main screen will be find some time to load up fully. So for that I just add to 5 seconds. Okay, 5 milliseconds. Then after then completing this thing, I add the open level class by reference. Just set my new map, the main map, which one I created. In your case, which one is your main map? Okay, you need to just select that one. Just click on compile and save. Okay, now for the our loading screen we need a basically a game mode. So just create a new game mode for your loading screen, just a default game mode, nothing else. But there you don't need to set any of default character or pawn. So one is done, just go at your settings, that project settings, then go at maps as modes, then at maps and modes select the default game mode to your loading game mode. Then add here that setup up the maps, just select at the loading to your loading map and the game default map to loading. So as a result, when you now start this thing, it will be wait 5 seconds. Okay, then as you can see it's loading, and after the 5 seconds complete goodly and our map level loaded fully goodly. So you find like this, that your main map is come, you can play right now in this map. So I just hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Bangla YT. In next video I'll show you something more, so just wait and watch. So thank you so much for watching this, love you all and bye bye.